How to know if iPhone is charging while powered off. Wondering if your iPhone is charging while powered off? Let's check the signs step by step. So first is to plug in charger. Connect your iPhone to a charger. Within a few seconds, a large battery icon should appear briefly on the screen. Second is to watch for battery icon. The battery icon shows your current charge level, then disappears as the phone stays off. This confirms charging has started. Another is to leave it plugged in. Even if the screen remains black, the phone continues charging. So after a few minutes, press the side button to see the battery icon again. Now turn the phone back on by holding the side button. If charging worked, you'll see the battery percentage has increased. And that is how you know if your iPhone is charging while powered off.